CCTV of Siwon's family dog's biting incident released shows situation was different from explanation. The CCTV of Bugsy's accident has been released. SBS reported on the incident along with the released CCTV, which shows Bugsy running through an opening elevator door and biting the victim. This goes against what Siwon's father's apology had said, which claimed that Bugsy had slipped through the door while it was open for a short period of time.
However, the CCTV shows that both Bugsy and his owner had been either waiting for the elevator or at least present when the elevator stopped and opened at the floor, meaning the owners were aware of Bugsy being outside even before the elevator arrived. Furthermore, none of the people in the elevator are waiting to get off on the floor that the elevator doors opened, meaning possibly that the elevator had been called to the floor by Bugsy's owner.